Welcome to TomRobots, Abu Suhaib. We're delighted to showcase our VM, reverse vending machine, and innovative device, specifically engineered for recycling plastic, beverage bottles, and aluminum cans, turning waste into valuable resources. Today, you personally explored every detail of the product, from its operational process to core performance. Your high recognition fills us with great enthusiasm. Equipped with precise identification technology, the AVM can quickly sort various plastic beverage bottles and aluminum cans. Its intuitive interface lowers the usage threshold, boosting recycling efficiency far beyond traditional equipment. Environment, every, designed perfectly. And the durable body material is fully adapted to Jordan's operating. Your trust in our technology fuels our progress, aligns with your needs. TomRobots has always focused on developing high-quality recycling equipment, committed to providing reliable and efficient solutions for partners like you. Bringing the RVM to the Jordanian market, we're eager to cooperate with you. Beverage bottles and aluminum cans, supporting the resource utilization of local plastic, and injecting new vitality into environmental protection efforts. More sustainable future. Here's to a win-win collaboration. Let's jointly build a cleaner,